To replace the turn signal assembly or auxiliary lights, you will first need to remove the front bumper. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. If you are just replacing the side lights, you do not need to remove anything to replace the light. We removed the wheel well liner to show you the clip that holds the light to the bumper assembly, red arrow. You do not need to remove the wheel well liner. To remove the side light, use a trim tool to prevent scratches and insert the tool between the light and the bumper at the front and press the light towards the rear of the car and then swing it out from the bumper. Unclip the wiring harness by pressing in on the tab, red arrow, and pulling it out from the side light. If you are only replacing the side lights, instructions end here, and installation is the reverse of removal. If you are continuing to the turn signal assembly, remove the front bumper cover and set it on a soft flat surface. Again, if you need additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Remove the 4 T20 Torx screws, red arrows, holding the turn signal to the front bumper. Unclip the electrical plug, red arrow, from the turn signal assembly. The turn signal assembly can now be lifted and removed from the front bumper. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.